Mastering the Art of Saving and Earning in 2025. This is your ultimate gate for financial stability. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, financial stability is more crucial than ever. This guide delves into the core principles of money management, providing practical tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals in 2025 and beyond. 1. Understanding your finances. Track your income and expenses. The first step to financial control is knowing where your money is coming from and where it's going. Utilize budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to monitor your income and expenses. Create a budget. A budget acts as a roadmap for your finances. Allocate funds for essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, while also setting aside money for savings and discretionary spending. Set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial aspirations. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, funding a dream vacation, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will motivate you to stay on track. 2. Saving money. Identify areas to cut back. Analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can reduce expenses. This could involve dining out less frequently, cutting back on entertainment costs, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Embrace budgeting tools and apps. Leverage technology to streamline your budgeting process. Many apps can automate savings, track expenses, and provide valuable insights into your spending patterns. Explore different savings options. Consider high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, or money market accounts to maximize your savings potential. 3. Earning more money. Identify additional income streams. Explore opportunities to increase your income beyond your primary job. This could involve freelancing, starting a side hustle, or renting out a spare room. Invest in your skills and education. Enhance your earning potential by acquiring new skills or pursuing further education. Consider online courses, workshops, or certifications that can boost your career prospects. Negotiate a raise or seek a new job. If you feel underpaid, don't hesitate to negotiate a raise with your current employer or explore new job opportunities that offer better compensation and benefits. 4. Investing wisely. Understand different investment options. Educate yourself about various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Seek professional advice when needed. If you're unsure about investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. 5. Building good financial habits. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistent savings contributions. Review your budget regularly. Regularly review your budget to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your financial milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your financial achievements, no matter how small. This will help reinforce positive financial behaviors and motivate you to continue on your journey towards financial success. Remember, building a strong financial foundation takes time and effort. By consistently implementing these strategies and making informed financial decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a prosperous future. Mastering the art of saving and earning in 2025